crew? It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Montana. The grass is still frosty. I'm gonna be making some pancakes for breakfast. Haven't made a vlog style video in a really long time. I feel like I need to go back to that. I really burnt myself out with so much working at the post office. It's a manual labor job, so you know. But anyways, just got out of the shower. Me and Abby are going to spend the day together, and I'm going to be making this video actually tomorrow, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So yeah, we'll get some shoes being open. We got some over there. Maybe some other packages I'll get into, maybe not. We'll see what happens. But yeah, this dude wants to trade me shoes, some Jordans for some Yeezys. Yes, and tell me what you think about that trade, if you think that's a good trade, what I did. So yeah, it's going to be all in this video. So stay tuned. Hold it, only got 10 seconds left. For these pancakes, you gotta have milk. So Abby is shelling some nuts. About to mix some almond cashew milk, it looks like.
Yep.
Put some vanilla in there. What is that? Oh, coconut.
Coconut shreds. There you go.
So now we have all of our products for pancakes, our milk, vegan butter, replacement eggs. Let's get after it.
The sky right around us, the very air that we're breathing, it's right here, it's present, it's in the here and now, it's in the moment. Oh, it's all around. It's here, it's available, but it's a very different kind voice. It doesn't come from the world's power structures. It doesn't come from the world's power systems.
All right, now we're heading to my Aunt Sarah's to play some games.
Windy out here.
Really windy.
Oh, do you want inside?
Oh, it sure does.
Who's out there? Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go? Alright, come on.
I guess she doesn't want to. She just wants to whine about it.
Do you like this game, Abby?
I do, it's very fun.
Ah, here it is.
Really
Back
sees
to
the
bed.
other dog out there.
My card. Hey, good morning everybody. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. He really wanted to make peace and make a change. So much we can learn from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Definitely an amazing man. And yeah, Abby's working today. I get the day off, which is really weird because I've been working 70-hour work weeks. Really getting burnt out, like I was saying. And so now I have this whole day to myself. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm just so far relaxing. Yeah, 2 straight relaxed days is so foreign to me. But things change, the world changes. Right now we're looking at a ton of snow outside. I don't know why I said a ton of snow. It's like a tiny bit of snow, but still. Yeah. Anyways, today's plan is just to watch some Cobra Kai, cringy show, and watch some NBA. Lakers and Warriors is definitely the #1 for sure. I'm a huge LeBron fan. Been a LeBron fan since I was a little kid. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill today. Oh, but I do have that pair of shoes that I need to swap out with my buddy online. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's open my last Supreme item for 2020 fall winter. Hey, what's up? It's time to check out some Jordan 11 Jubilees. I think these are in size 10.5, which is my size. My buddy online and me are trading these, like I probably said a million times. Packaged them up pretty decently. Looks like he used the box that they originally came in from Nike. Using that priority service mail. Gotta love that, right? Helping pay my bills there too. I mean, I send a bunch of stuff myself, you know, I'll get stuff shipped here, send stuff out. But anyways, let's go ahead, break into this box. Oh, nice. This is a really cool box that these Jubilees came in. Got a little moisture reducer in there. Thanks for doing that. I'll go ahead and show you guys the label on the box. There it is. Now, I know a bunch of people already grabbed these sneakers. They released a while ago, and I just did not pick up a pair, but yeah, I'll trade around. That's cool. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to open this box up. Okay, I think it's just, yeah, I think this is what you do. We got this flap of cardboard that they glued down there. I guess on both sides, like kind of cool box. And then this paper has a little Jumpman. It says 1995 and 2020. So, oh wait, 95, is that on one of these shirts? This is a basketball skateboard shirt. On all the tags, they put that. My mom said she'd buy me a skateboard for me, the basketball team. Yeah. Kind of cool. All right, here we go. My first 11s. I've never grabbed 11s because, yeah, they're just a big shoe. They're definitely really, really shiny and loud, and they kind of look like a tuxedo of a sneaker. It's funny, the guy who I'm trading these with, he's like, yeah, they look like a suit jacket or something like that for a wedding or whatnot. But yeah, they're really versatile. They can go with a bunch of different outfits. Probably work well with even what I'm wearing now with my Nike Lab pants and then basketball skateboards tee. But yeah, there's so much to these Jubilees. They are different from the Space Jams because the sole just got that white sole instead of the icy blue. And then on the side here, it does say Jordan. They're really weird stretched out letters. Yeah, and you can see they got like this carbon fiber. On the medial side of the shoe, you've got your EVA foam cushioning. You got your 23 on the back in those really stretched out letters. Other than that, yeah, it just says, what does it say? On the tongue, it says Jumpman, and then the other side just says Jordan there with your silvery Jumpman logo right there in the middle on the tongue. And yeah, this one here, it feels like it's probably metal. It has some bend to it, maybe. It does seem like it is a little piece of metal, so that's nice. It's not just a plastic piece or anything like that. The insole's on here. You do have this nice jelly material. Looks like my guy has a pet. Oh man, he's got pet hair all over the insole. Dude, you gotta clean that off. That shit's nasty. Yeah, I need to get like some tape real quick. Let me show you guys a secret. Alright, so I know you guys all got tape around your house. If you ever get items and they are not super clean, they got little pieces of lint or something on them, just get that tape, roll it inside out. You can clean that all right off of there. And like, if you're trading somebody's sneakers and you're saying that, you know, your sneakers are dead stock, then yeah, make sure you clean out the insides, especially that insole, because yeah, this fabric they put on insoles is like a microfiber, and so it really just gathers everything that your socks have on them, on the bottoms, on the inside walls. I mean, okay. Wow. The only struggle I have now is trying to get this hair off the side walls. That's kind of a bummer. But let's check out this other one. See how this other one's looking. Maybe he only put his foot in one of the shoes? No, there's some cardboard in here. But that could be from the shoe insert. There's your shoe insert. Anybody wanting to see the details on there? Mold liner. So there you are. Yeah, this one, see, it's just got cardboard from the shoe insert, which you can still get off of there. I mean, it mostly falls off, but what is my tape doing? It is not sticky at all anymore. Yeah. Okay. On the inside of the shoe, let's just look at that. You guys can check that out if you want to legit check a pair. You always want to look at that inside stitching. Know what you're looking at on a legit pair. This is the part that they can't really get right, those fake sellers. And there's your tag on the inside, you know. And on the back of the tongue, product inspected by the greatest player ever. So Jordan apparently really liked this pair. That's always good. I mean, you'd think he'd be rocking and liking every single year that comes out of his. Or at least the years that he played basketball. I don't know about now. He's probably wearing dress shoes and whatnot. But anyways, I'll go ahead and I'm going to spray a little bit of Lysol in them. Make sure they're nice and clean. And then, yeah. We'll throw them on feet. Let's go to it. There for my Yeezy Israfil, is that what these are called? I don't even remember. There's so many different names. Isra 5. Yeah, I don't really know what the name is for these. These are the Yeezys with a little bit more stretchy prime knit. They got that stretchy part on the inside, the medial side, and yeah, the transparent stripe there, almost looking like the Beluga 1.0s, which that pair was really dope. I had that pair for a while. This pair does have quite a bit more blue in it. The other pair is really gray. This one is obviously blue, but with that orange hint, it almost gives it a gray look. So yeah, I don't know, you can rock it with some different fits, pretty versatile. And then yeah, these laces are the infinity laces, so you can always take those off, and they did come with a regular set of laces as well. But yeah, I have a review video on these. You can check that out. I think I even have a review video for my Beluga 1.0s, but it's probably terrible because yeah, that was back when I was first starting to figure out filming, and yeah, you know, you learn as you grow. But anyways, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Just want to create a community where we're checking out some pretty dope items. This is actually a Noah tee that I was going to save to open with my Palace stuff. So definitely hit that bell notification so you get notified when I actually do open this. I'm gonna wait to open the rest of this. Yeah, this is that Supreme item from the I don't know if this is from the last week of the fall-winter collection, but it was an item that I wanted, and I didn't go after it initially, but then I saw that it restocked. The week that this new era item dropped, there's actually some other stuff I was going after first, so anyways, we did get some registered vote Supreme box logo stickers. I don't understand why they haven't given all those out yet, but it's all good, right? And then, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we have our new era Supreme, what is this, a balaclava? I think that's what it's called. Is that what this is technically called? Doesn't even say. Wow, there's like no tags on this at all. Like legit, there's like this little hook thing for their in-store, and then there's this new era tag down at the bottom. Just says new era, and the back side is just all black. I mean, it says newera.com on that little piece right on the little edge there. But I mean, other than that, there's not a whole lot to this tag. This balaclava does seem like it is pretty lightweight. Oh wait. On the inside, look at that. We do got a tag. All right, legit. We got an intense tag on here. Won't be trying to fake this one out very easily. We got our stitch mark. Do you see that? That white or gray stitch mark doesn't even go all the way across up there. Cut off pretty smooth there. Pretty stiff fabric, I would say. Get your new era on there as well. Care instructions and whatnot. And then you've got your red Supreme tag from normally when you buy stuff in the store, but they're putting on more stuff now that's being sent out again. Thought I could wear this at work. I've been using, you know, my face mask, obviously. It is really cold out, and I just need a bunch of different options, and, you know, to change out and whatnot as the day progresses, as weather changes up and whatnot. What do you think? You like it? Just, yeah, there we go. I need to take this stuff off, the tags and everything, but I'm just kind of testing it out, seeing if I'm actually gonna wear it at work, because it's kind of thin, but yeah, there's a sizing. What it looks like. Oh my goodness. It's so weird, like these ribbed parts, the bigger ribbed parts, seem like they wouldn't be as warm as the Supreme box logo that they sewed in. This Supreme box logo is all kind of thicker knit, and then this is all looser knit. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But yeah, this one is just one size. I mean, it's gonna fit pretty much everybody. The Jordans, did I say those are true to size? You wanna order your regular size. You could maybe size down, but I would try them on first because they might just fit perfectly true to size. And yeah, I didn't feel like I had a whole lot of extra room in there, but I mean, if you really loosen up the laces and you break them in and whatnot, they could end up feeling a little bit bigger. So anyways, let me go ahead and shoot a meme at you on this Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Definitely look up some of his writings. Some of his books have been really good. It's all about treating people right. Like, even though it's inconvenient for justice to happen, we have to make it right. We have to make it happen. We have to stand for justice. And yes, I mean, there's so much content out there right now. I would really encourage everybody to go out there and dive into it and whatnot. But yeah, this meme kind of goes along with the theme for today's holiday. Jesus saying, "Love everyone, no matter what." Some dude on the side, "What if they have a different skin color?" And then Jesus says, "Yes, even if they ask stupid questions." Because Jesus says, "Love everybody no matter what." And then somebody tries to be like, "Well, what if?" Okay, love everybody no matter what. Even the people asking those super terrible question. So maybe you have people in your life who are just kind of like that, where they just ask those really dumb questions and you don't understand how their brain works, how their logic works. It just doesn't really make sense. Like, come on, Karen. But seriously, we have to give those people some space, some room to grow. We definitely can't be encouraging any of their bad behaviors or bad comments. We got to definitely stop those from continuing, but we can still show them love and acceptance, because that's what we want them to show everybody else. So you're excluding them from something, then now they, in revenge, are going to want to be exclusive about their life as well. And that can be very detrimental. It can be very harmful to society. Yeah, we just got to be more inclusive overall, all around, no matter what people look like or what their religious background is or what their current state of mind is. We gotta be more accepting and really understanding that people are growing and they're changing and they're becoming better people, hopefully. I mean, each of us has control over our own lives, and so let's take that control. Let's move ourselves to more positive places and move ourselves to more positive mindsets, so that we can just be constantly on this higher level mindset where we can be that encouragement to people who really need it right now and need to be de-stressed and all that goodness. So yeah, be some cheer, and I love you all. See ya in the next one. Peace.